All right, I've put the doors together. Now this is not the last of it. I'm just putting these in, coupling everything together temporarily, because I need to push it aside and get all the equipment installed, which I'm not planning to do today, but I'm going to show you the entire process and the modules, components, and hardware that you're going to need to get started, and roughly the cost, what it's going to cost you to complete based on the spec that I'm going to be using. So this is the transparent front door, and as I said, there are keys to all the sides, as you can see here. And right here at the back, and this will be the entry point for all the cables to go through. So I'm going to be running the cables down from the top here, and it's going to come right to the back here. And I'll open this. And I've got the two multiple power sockets there. Keystone patch panels.